How to recover Project Sekai account. For this, open up a Google or any browser that you prefer on your mobile or PC device. Now search for Project Sekai support. Tap on the first suggestion, that is the Sega customer support. So go ahead and tap on it. So right here, you will have the first option to fill out this contact form where you will be able to submit a request. You have to enter email address and select the inquiry form, add a description, then add an attachment file that can be a screenshot of your problem, then hit on submit. For the response of the Sega team, you will have to wait for at least of 2 to 3 business days. But however, there is a second option that will give you a solution right away. Just tap on the chat icon at the bottom and here you will find a bot along with a pre-prompt text. Just go ahead and select on data transfer. Then again, go ahead and select from any one of these options for better help. For an example, I'll be selecting I forgot my transfer ID, and if I tap on this prompt, it will suggest me solutions accordingly. So you can just go ahead and do the same step as well and do according to the instruction provided to you by the bot. You can also conduct this process via your application. For that, go ahead and exit from here, then open up your Project Sekai application. Then you have to tap on the hamburger icon at the very top where it will display a layout like this. Simply tap on the support option to go ahead and contact with the agent. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.